Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Churchill Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Churchill Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers a comparison service for car and home insurance quotes from Churchill and other providers. Its main purpose is to help users find the best and most competitive insurance deals. The target audience is anyone looking to purchase or renew their car or home insurance. Key features likely include comparison tools, policy details, and potentially customer reviews. Their website provides details on available coverage and pricing options. Their website highlights the ease of comparing multiple quotes side by side, emphasizing price transparency and the ability to tailor policies to individual needs. It claims to offer a wide range of providers beyond just Churchill, ensuring a comprehensive comparison. The site also mentions a straightforward online application process. Availability is nationwide, easily checked via their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Churchill Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly simple. I just entered my details, address, vehicle information, and desired coverage onto the website. The interface was clean and intuitive. I found navigating through different options and comparing quotes effortless. The results were presented clearly, highlighting price differences and key policy features for each provider. I was particularly impressed by how quickly it generated the comparisons. It took less than 5 minutes. The standout feature for me was definitely the side-by-side comparison table, making it easy to identify the best deals. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Using it on my phone was a little less convenient. I had a quick question about a specific policy detail, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Churchill Insurance Review My Usage Experience. It helped me save a significant amount of money on my car insurance renewal, and the process was surprisingly stress-free. That's my overview of Churchill Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.